Hello everyone. I hope you have watched the previous video and the answer to it is C. tritium. Now, it's time for more brainstorming question. So let's begin, but before this do like, share, subscribe. Which mirror is used by dentists to examine teeth? Right answer B. Concave. Which layer of the earth is liquid? Right answer D. Outer core. Who discovered the law of gravitation? Right answer C. Newton. Which disease is caused by a deficiency of insulin? Right answer B. Diabetes. What is the chemical formula of washing soda? Right answer C. Na2CO3. Which device converts electrical into mechanical energy? Right answer B. Motor. Which element is most abundant in the Earth's crust? Right answer D. Oxygen. Which animal is known to have the largest heart? Right answer B. Blue whale. Which type of respiration occurs in body during heavy exercise? Right answer B. Anaerobic. What is the atomic number of carbon? Right answer B. 6. Now, it's your turn to answer. The question is, jaundice is a symptom of disease of. Please write the answer in comment section. Do like, share and subscribe.